Hey, so welcome back to another episode, and this week, or at least tonight, we are going to be analysing a few stocks and what they may do in the next week or so. So we're starting off tonight with HYLION. You can see HYLN stock is on screen. We're going to look at what has happened in the past, we're going to look at what might be happening in the future, reasoning for what is happening right now, and then we're just going to talk about what I think the stock will do in the next week or so. So first things first, of course, I am not a financial advisor. Second thing, I would appreciate it massively if you subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000. We're almost halfway there now. I can see it happening, so if you guys could just help us get to 1,000, it will be massively appreciated. On top of this, we also have a Discord server where we're going to be talking about stocks. If you guys are already in it, you will know. If you're not in it, link will be in the description. Right, so on the one day, this is actually down quite a bit so far. So today is actually the Monday, so you can see not really been a great day for this company at all. And actually, when you get to 5 day, not great at all there as well. Starting off the week on about the price of $28, you can see we're just over 25 now. On the 1 month, you can really see that this has really just gone downhill straight away. It's been on quite a linear path downhill, and that's quite unfortunate to see. But when we look out to the 6 month, we can really see the impact that this has had. Honestly, going up to this point, it looked like we were reaching for new highs, and of course, we've basically just dropped back with not really any recovery since that point. And of course, it looks like we're just going lower looking at the graph right now. So let's have a quick look into reasoning for this. So first things first, a tiny piece of information which obviously drove the stock price up was the merger. Basically, this stock obviously merged with SHLL to make HYLION stock, and this has basically been a catalyst as a lot of people knew that this was going to happen, driving up the share price. Unfortunately, when the share price basically went down, that was due to a lot of people selling off because, like I said, a lot of institutions and whatnot will know it is a sensible point to sell off when you're over 100% in profit, as you were with this stock. You were up to massive gains, and of course, a lot of people did then jump out. And of course, we've really just seen the stock going down until now. And I think another reason behind that is basically because of what happened with Nikola. So Nikola was obviously kind of, apparently a scam, and of course a lot of people will kind of be a little bit apprehensive to invest in companies like that, in the sense that this is an electric vehicle company, it's a SPAC company, and that could potentially influence people's opinions. So that's what's happened in the past. Now let's have a look at what's happening in the future. Let's have a quick look on news for HYLION, and if we have a just quick look on Google, we can't really see anything so far, and that is possibly even a good thing. And I would say there's not really been too much news about this one recently. Of course, it's just a case of a lot of hype has died down. What do I think is going to happen in the next week then? Well, I can see this stock really starting to bounce back. Of course, I'm not talking about any V-shaped recovery or anything, although that is possible. I'm just seeing a very slow growth back, but I also think it's going to be either way, to be honest. But I think that we should start to see it increase. However, even if it does increase, don't expect it to be very, stable. I think this is going to be a very volatile period, especially with the election coming up soon. I think the next few weeks are going to be crucial, and whether Donald Trump or Joe Biden gets in as well, also going to be big information. So thank you for joining me on this very quick one. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.